Senator Orji Kalu don yarn IBB say make e call names of people wey stop June 12 election. The senator call on the former military Presido Ibrahim Babangida aka IBB say make e do the second edition of his autobiography Journey in Service and make e call names of people wey no gree make him declare and accept their non-June 12, 1993 presidential election. As e dey yarn tori pipo for Abuja on Tuesday, Kalu tok say IBB suppose expose the names wey join in deputy dat time late General Sani Abacha and the chairman of National Electoral Commission Humphrey Onwosu so Naija pipo go sabi wetin really happen. Say for the first time in 32 years, Babangida don gree say MKO Abiola wey be Social Democratic Party SDP candidate win the election. Kalu kon tok say e no get doubt say Abiola win and come beg Presido Bola Tinubu say make e swear am in posthumously and put im picture for the Naija Hall of Fame wey dem dey keep former presidos. The former Abia governor kon still hail IBB when e take clear the matter say the 1966 coup no be Igbo coup but na Naija military action wey dem mistakenly blame for Igbo pipo head. On top the 2027 election, Kalu kon tok say APC no dey find another candidate sake of say e sure say Presido Tinubu go win second term.
But I'm waiting for second edition of that book because the first edition did not bring out all the realities of what happened, especially when it concerned Professor Humphrey Onwosu and the INEC and why it was. Babangida should tell those, call by names, not only Abacha, call by names those who stopped him from declaring June 12. Because I was there, so I know what happened. You should call their names and write second edition. So Nigerians will know the rule. Because people are thinking maybe Babangida lied here and there. But I'm very grateful that the coup, they call Igbo coup, Babangida have to. I don't need Babangida to tell me that that coup was not Igbo coup. That is why I'm in Nigeria. And that is why you see me behave the way I behave. So for me, that coup was a Nigerian coup collected by military. And the military executed the coup. And some people fell to do their job. That is what I saw. And Igbos are bearing the brunt, which is not fair on Igbos. Yes, Abiola won the election. And there's no doubt about that. I would like them to put Abiola's picture where other presidents' picture are put in. If he won the election, he was not sworn in. I will appeal to President Ahmed Tinubu to swear him in post-mortem and also allowed his picture to be where you have former president. We have already given him all the honor. I'm very thankful to President Muhammad Buhari who gave him a national award and post-mortem. So you can also hang his picture post-mortem. So the family will be healed and give them rights they give to former president.
Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We not dey take blame. Ekata Ojesele reporting for TMC TV.